How to trim video on Instagram Reels. In order to do that, we need to head over right here and then let's first create the reel. So let's head over to the reel right here and you can put in here any video or you can also record a reel that you want. Now I have in here this reel. It's actually 1 minute and 14 seconds long. So if you want to head over and trim that, you can just do so using the controls right here on the bottom. So you can see that we have a lot of controls right here. You can see this edit video on the bottom. Click on that. And then it will open in here an expanded view. So as you can see, we have in here 1 minute and 11 seconds. So for example, you just want to make this around 1 minute. You can hover to that specific timestamp. Then click on the clip. And then from in there, click on this split option. Then you can remove the remaining timestamp right here by clicking on this discard right here. As you can see, we have now this 1 minute long video. So from in there, you can head over and then edit it out, add audio, text, clip hub, stickers, and anything that you want. Then once you're done, click on this arrow button right here, and then you can head over and add some captions. And from in there, just share this particular reel. So that's how you trim video on Instagram Reels. Hope we help.